If you want to play MSN games, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get started in just a few steps. The best part is, you usually do not need to download anything at all, because these games can often be played right in your browser. So if you are searching for how to download MSN games, this guide will help you find and launch them the quick way. If this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to msn.com. This will take you to the MSN homepage, where you can find a wide range of content, including games. On the MSN page, look for the play option in the middle of the page. This is the section you want to click, because it will open the games page in a new window. Go ahead and click on play and wait for the new window to load. After that, you can browse through the available games or use the search option if you already know the game you want to play. Take your time and look through the choices until you find the one you like. Once you see a game you want, click on the game itself. That will open the game page and show you more details or a play screen. From there, click Play Again to launch the game. In most cases, the game will start directly in your browser, so there is no need to install or download anything. Just wait for it to load, and then you can start playing right away. This makes it a super easy way to enjoy MSN games without taking up space on your device. So if you were expecting a long download process, the good news is that you can usually skip that completely and enjoy the game instantly. Once you're in, just start playing and have fun. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your MSN games.